Good morning. Hi. Hi, Alpana. Welcome, Bharat Kumbhar, Dheeraj, Dipalok. Welcome, Gopal Krishnan, Hitesh. Good to see you again. Inderpal, Kartikeyan, Kiran, Mahendra, Makrant, Mandeep, Mangesh, Mayur, Nikhil, Nitin, Prajakta, Priya. Welcome, Rashmi, Ravi, Sachin. Hi, Sarvesh, Yagnesh. Great. Okay, super. Let's start. Uh, So today, let me start a different series of conversation this week. It's about the gaps, okay? Uh, Gaps in terms of what the client says, what the client actually means, okay? And why there is this big gap between what they're saying and what they're meaning. Just a second. Hello. Yes. So that's what we are going to talk about today. Okay. So how many times it has happened कि clients ने आपको बोला कि रिस्क नहीं लेना है, मार्केट सेटल हो जाए, फैमिली से डिस्कस करना है, अभी थोड़ा टाइम चाहिए, मैं सोच के बताता हूँ. ओके. एंड ये सब बोला है. एंड हाउ मेनी टाइम्स यू हैव एक्सेप्टेड दैट सेंटेंस एज द रियल रीजन? बताइए. कितने बार क्लाइंट ने आपको बोला है ये सारे रीजंस and you have accepted these as the real reasons? Please write in the chat box about what you felt. It happens mostly. Karthikeyan, you're saying sometimes accept, sometimes suspect that he has something else in mind. Okay, many times. Yeah. Dekho, many times clients don't tell you the real objection, not because they are lying, but because the real reason feels too personal, too emotional, or too uncomfortable to say openly. When a client says risk nahi lena hai, that person may be actually meaning ki boss, I don't want to look foolish if this goes wrong. बोला तो रिस्क नहीं लेना है, बट एक्चुअली बोलना ये चाहते हैं कि आई डोंट वांट टू लुक फुलिश इफ थिंग्स गो रॉन्ग. और ये बोलते हैं कि मार्केट सेटल हो जाएगा तब करते हैं. सो इनमें से आई एम स्केयर्ड ऑफ टेकिंग रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ investing at this time. I'm scared of taking responsibility for timing. Or if the person says family se discuss karunga, it may actually mean कि I'm not fully convinced yet, but I don't want to reject you directly. I'm not fully convinced yet, but I don't want to reject you directly. Okay? And यहीं पर ना हम लोग से मीटिंग्स हाथ से निकल जाता है. This is where we lose the meeting. Why do we lose? Because we answer the words, but we miss the fear behind the words. We miss the fear behind the words. We respond to the sentences, but we don't decode the emotion. ऑब्जेक्शन हैंडलिंग आज का रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं, आज का सेशन का टॉपिक नहीं है. टुडे ऑब्जेक्शन हैंडलिंग इज too basic. Today we are going deeper. We are going to understand why clients hide the real truth in meetings. We will try to understand why clients hide the real truth in meetings and why they use safe language, and how a mature advisor can gently uncover what is stopping the decision. Because remember, clients rarely say the real objection first. समझ आ रहा? Clients rarely say the real objection first. They say the socially acceptable version of it. Clients say the socially acceptable version of it. Your job is not to react. Your job is to decode. ठीक है? Ready? चलिए शुरू करते हैं. Just a second. Let me know once the slide deck is visible, okay? The hidden gap, visible. What clients say, what they actually mean, and why the difference changes everything. देखो, क्लाइंट्स ने बोला रिस्क नहीं लेना है, मार्केट सेटल हो जाए तो करेंगे, फैमिली से डिस्कस करना है, अभी थोड़ा टाइम चाहिए, मैं सोच के बताता हूं. डू यू रियली बिलीव दीज आर द रियल रीजंस? डू यू रियली बिलीव दीज आर द रियल रीजंस? These are not the real objections. These are the polite versions of what they are looking to say. Okay, sorry. Yeah, next slide. Money is a very deeply personal change. When a client feels exposed, they rarely reveal the full truth immediately. Instead, they offer a cover to protect their ego, fear, or confusion. So if the client says, market clear nahi hai, market volatile hai, their fear of being held responsible for a wrong decision, that is what they're looking to protect. Risk nahi lena, the fear of looking foolish to others or themselves. If they're saying family se discuss karna hai, what they're trying to protect is their inability to say no directly or lack of conviction. The first objection is not the truth. It is the client's emotional shield. So karna kya hai? We have to first decode. When they say risk nahi lena hai, literal interpretation क्या है? Client is conservative and avoids market volatility. ये literal interpretation है. Emotional क्या बोलता है? I don't want to feel regret. I don't want to explain a loss to my family. I don't want to look foolish. So standard response है, सर लॉन्ग टर्म में रिस्क कम हो जाता है. बट डिकोड के बाद क्या बोलोगे आप? आप बोलोगे सर यू आर मोर वरीड अबाउट द मार्केट फॉल और द फीलिंग दैट यू मे रिग्रेट दिस डिसीजन लेटर. Are you getting the pivot? Right? Yes, if you're getting it. Decode karo. Look for the invisible fear behind the words. Market and family. That sounds quite reasonable. Objection क्या है? Market थोड़ा settle हो जाए, फिर शुरू करेंगे. There is a fear of responsibility. They aren't waiting for data. They are waiting for emotional safety to avoid being wrong. एक बार फैमिली से डिस्कस कर लो, फिर बताता हूं. Lack of conviction. They need somebody to co-sign. For a decision, they don't trust their own judgment. Vague delay is never about time. अभी थोड़ी liquidity चाहिए. I don't feel financially secured. I have an unspoken responsibility or fear. Is it for a specific upcoming need or more for emotional comfort? मैं सोच के बताता हूं. What exactly do you want to think through? Amount, timing, risk, or trust? They many a times go through an unexpressed confusion. So surface the statement. Listen carefully to what the client said. This is a polite cover or a shield that they offer first. Ask what may be underneath. Identify the hidden driver. Is it fear, regret, family pressure? Is it confusion or embarrassment? Ask one curious follow-up question. It should not be like an interrogation, but a sincere attempt to that you care and understand. Decode before defending. Do not jump to defend your plan. First, decode the hesitation to ensure that you're solving the right problem. Don't answer the objection until you understand what created it. Very important. Don't answer the objection until you understand what created it. अगर क्लाइंट बोलता है रिस्क नहीं लेना है, I understand. But when you say risk, I want to understand it properly. Are you worried about the temporary market fall? Or are you worried that if things don't work immediately, you may feel this was a wrong decision? Both are very different. Market movement. किसने पूछा डेटा ड्रिवन फियर होता है. This is logical. We manage this through asset allocation systematic entry. Regret driven fear हो सकता है. There are few scripts that I'm going to talk about that open the real conversation. Sir, markets rarely give perfect comfort before action. Are you waiting for data to improve or to feel emotionally safer? Because if it is emotional safety, we can start with a smaller structured step. Family se discuss karunga. Absolutely, sir. Please discuss. But before that, what do you think they will question most? Safety, returns, liquidity? Because once we identify their concern, I can help you explain it properly. Okay? First question, you can write in the chat box, risk nahi lena hai. What do you think is the hidden emotion behind this line? Write it in the chat box. Risk nahi lena hai. All of you. What is the hidden emotion behind this? Yeah. Keep writing, all of you. Risk nahi lena hai. What is the hidden emotion behind this? Yeah. Markets high लग रहा है. इसका क्या होगा? Okay. मैं get back करता हूं. Let me talk to my friends and family. Let me get back to you. Okay. Undecided. Super. Send me details. I will get back to you. इसका क्या होगा? What is the hidden emotion? Send me details. Let me get back to you. Okay. Super, super, super. I think we are all going there. In tomorrow's session, this is going to become much more clearer. We will get to that. Okay. Sorry. Remember, clients don't object. So they are always looking to protect. Either they are protecting their fear, they are protecting their confusion. Just a second. They are protecting their ego. They are protecting their family pressure. कुछ ना कुछ प्रोटेक्ट कर रहे हैं. और they are protecting their embarrassment कि बाद में embarrassment ना हो. बाद में embarrassment ना हो. When a client gives you an objection, don't rush to answer. Pause, listen, decode. Real objection is always one layer below, one layer underneath, below the sentence. Don't look at client ne kya bola. That is very, very shallow, surface level. Client actually kya feel kar raha tha? What actually is the client feeling right now? Average advisors' response to clients, there is some change happening. Average advisors' response to clients' words. We need to decode the client's fear first. Just give me 1 minute, please. Okay, I need to share one link with you now. Just give me a second, please. Just 1 second, please. All right. So I'm going to share one link in the chat box for all of you, and with a request that if you're truly enjoying these sessions, we would love to hear what you think about it. It's a short little Google review page. If you're truly enjoying it, you can write it. If you have any feedback for us, which you want everybody to read and listen and understand, you can put it up there. We will go through everybody's responses. Okay. And I would also like to tell you what we are going to cover tomorrow so that you know. I think I was shared a feedback that we should know what is going to get covered tomorrow. आपको क्या लगता है कल क्या कवर होगा? So we are going to tomorrow. It is all about how to ask questions that make clients discover their own problem. How to ask questions that make clients discover their own problem. So that subtle difference between interrogation and self-realization. Okay. And then we will have a similar session on Wednesday. All right. Super. All the best, everyone. Thank you so much for sharing your reviews on the Google page. Highly appreciated. With a lot of humility. Thank you so much. I'm very happy to be amongst all of you. All the best. Take care and see you tomorrow at 10:10. Bye-bye.